Hello everyone. Today we will see the structure of antibody or immunoglobulin. Antibodies are actually a type of protein made by B lymphocytes of WBC. This immunoglobulin or antibody made up of 4 polypeptide chain. In this 4 polypeptide chain, 2 chains are heavy chain and 2 are light chain. In the heavy chain, about each chain contain more than 500 amino acids, and in the light chain contain about 250 or 230 amino acids. In each light chain and in heavy chain present two regions, variable regions and constant region. In heavy chain also present variable region and constant region. In heavy chain, 3 constant region present, and at the end of the constant region present carboxyl group, because it is a polypeptide chain, and we know in polypeptide chain carboxyl group and amino group present. So at the constant region present carboxyl group, and at near the variable region, at the end of the variable region, in both the heavy chain and in the light chain amino groups present. These heavy chains and light chain both jointed by the interdisulfide bond. 4 disulfide bonds here presents which connect the 2 disulfide bond. One is here, connect the light chain and heavy chain, and 2 disulfide bond connect interdisulfide bond connect both the heavy chain. In both the light chain and heavy chain, variable region and constant region present. Variable regions changes, and this variable region change to form different types of antibodies. So here is at the end or at the tip of the variable region present antigen binding site for the different types of pathogens. Its shape will be changed, and when shape will be changed, then antibodies will be changed. Different types. In human body, 5 different types of antibodies present, in which IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. Ig we use for the immunoglobulin. So we will see here about how many disulfide bond present. About 16 disulfide bonds present in this Y-shaped structure or H2L2 structure of antibody. 4 interdisulfide bonds, and in 16, 12 disulfide bond, intradisulfide bond present in each arms of the heavy chain and of the light chain. In the heavy chain, each heavy chain present 4 disulfide bond, and here again the next heavy chain 4 disulfide, so total will be 8 disulfide bond, and in the light chain having 4, 2 in each light chain. At one disulfide bond is here at the variable region, and one is at the constant region. Same with the next term also will be. So now come to the types of antibodies. IgG, this is the most abundant, and it is when transferred from the placenta to the fetus. It is about 80% of total antibody in serum. IgG is monomeric structure, means only single unit of this immunoglobulin present here. Come to the IgA, immunoglobulin A. It is about 13% of total antibody present in our serum. It is present in mother's milk, in sweat, in saliva, in tears. IgM, about 6% in the serum. It is pentameric, so structure is big structure, and 5 units of immunoglobulin present in one IgM. IgD, less than 0.1% its content in the serum, and it is monomer. Single units of immunoglobulin present in IgD. IgE, is about 0.02% in the total content of antibody, and it is monomeric in structure. It gives response during the allergy. IgM responsible for first giving the first response when our body encounter with the any pathogen. On that time, this antibody in between all this first response given by the IgM, or we can say that B lymphocytes produce this antibody first when our body face any encounter with the any pathogen or microbial infection. So this is about the structure of antibody or immunoglobulin. Today we understand about the immunoglobulin is a type of protein. Which type of protein? It is glycoprotein.